Hey, I'm Amanda from Just Because, and today I want to share a really awesome video on how to get room temperature eggs quickly. When it comes to baking, it's so important to use room temperature ingredients, but if you're anything like me, sometimes you just forget to take out the eggs or the butter earlier than when you need to. So I hope you enjoy this video on how to get room temperature eggs quickly.
All you will need are 2 bowls, one for your eggs and a larger one, preferably with a wide mouth, a spoon or spatula, and some warm water. If you are separating your eggs, go ahead and do that, or you can just crack your whole egg into your smaller bowl. Slowly and carefully pour warm water into your bigger bowl, making sure not to fill it too much that it overflows into your bowl of eggs. After about a minute, use a spoon or spatula to stir your eggs around in order to evenly distribute the heat. Then let your eggs sit for around 5 minutes.
So there you have it, a really easy way to get room temperature eggs quickly. If you try this tip out, make sure to comment below, hit subscribe, like this video, and if you want even more content from me, make sure to follow me on social media at Just Because.